What's up, guys? The lazy man's way to make mac and cheese. First, you grab your macaroni, elbow or straight or flour, right? And you pour some in there, maybe like an inch thick in the pan. About an inch. Alright, we're not measuring it. So this is a 3-pound pot, right? I'm using half of it, right? So like an inch thick. Alright, an inch thick. That's a whole lot of macaroni. Probably should take some out of it. Alright, so that's an inch thick, right? And then you pour some cheese all over it. Lazy man's way of doing this. Open.
This better taste good.
Alright. Lucas says he's not gonna eat it, but this is the lazy man's way of doing it in 60 seconds. So I'm using half of the cheese.
60 seconds.
I'm using half of the cheese, right guys? I know you're gonna flavor to taste. Like a lot of seasoning in it. You want it tasty, right?
Yep.
And this has a little spice in it, like a little black pepper and stuff in this. It's not a black pepper, not a lot of black pepper, alright? It's just a little bit. That's all-purpose seasoning. It's complete, right? And then you mix this up. You want to spread the cheese even with the macaroni, right? Mix it up. I know you guys are saying, who taught you to cook? Right now, I know you guys are saying that. Lucas is looking at me like, Dad, what the hell is that? Alright guys, welcome to the lazy man's kitchen, alright? So that's mixed in almost even, alright? So now you think it's over, right? It's not over, alright? So now that they mixed in, alright, evenly, look at that. Mixed in, cheeses all over, alright? Leveling it out. Lucas is like, bro, what's going on here? So I level it out, right? Now I'm gonna pour milk into it. Alright, so this is the lazy man's way of doing it. What's gonna happen now, right, is I'm gonna put it in the oven, and while it's boiling and cooking, then it gets dried out. That's it. Alright? Trust me, it's gonna be okay. I've done this before, guys. Trust me. I've done this before. Believe me. Alright? Believe in me. Do you believe in me, guys? Believe in me. Because my kids don't believe in me, but I know that you guys believe in me. So I level it off, right? Look at this. Level. How far am I now? I'm like 44 seconds into the make. See? 44 seconds. Leveling off. Alright, so I'm going to put this in the oven. And when it's done cooking, then I sprinkle some more cheese over it. And then some breadcrumbs. Let's go. So the oven is set to 300 degrees.
Out the way, man. Get out the way, boy.
In the oven. Dude burned himself. You're on camera, smile. After you just burnt yourself.
Yeah. I'm putting it down low. Put it on the top.
Now he's noticing this was a terrible idea.
No, it was a good idea. I'm putting it lower. That's it. I'll check on that after 30 minutes. 3, 0, 3, 30, whatever. 30 minutes.
Bro.
Yeah. Some macaroni pie. Let me show you.
Non, mais à part ça, tu as bien fait, je dis que tu as jamais goûté look nice. They look nice too. Should I like them something?
If it's not, you see how I want to do it? You boil the macaroni first, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so I don't like soft macaroni. So what I do, I throw the macaroni in the pan, mix it with the cheese, then pour milk all over it. Just bring up the milk like a little bit over the macaroni.
Yeah.
And then put it in the oven on like 300. So when you let that boil, the macaroni are cook and stock it up. And by the time the macaroni don't cook now, they just turn up to like 400. And And then that no finish draw out the moisture out of it. So if you turn it up too high, you take a draw out before the something them cook. And then they make it too hard. Yeah. And then now when you put it back in, you just spread some cheese on top of it. And that's it.